Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today we will discuss the chemical properties of metal, and in this today we will discuss the metal displacement reaction. You know that the more reactive metal displace the less reactive metals from its compound solution or its ion solution. This reaction is known as metal displacement reaction. So we can represent this reaction as metal A plus salt of metal B. It gives salt solution of A and plus metal B. So in this you can understand that metal A is more reactive than the metal B. So when we add this more reactive metal into the solution of the salt of metal B, so this metal B is displaced. It is removed in the form of metal atom, and we get the salt solution of metal A. It means more reactive metals are converted to its ions in a solution. So there is one example. You can say that we have suppose copper sulfate solution which is blue in color, and if we add some zinc metal granules, so what will happen? The blue color of copper sulfate solution is discharged or disappear because the zinc forms zinc sulfate and the copper metal is displaced from the solution. In similar way, there is other reaction. If we have the copper sulfate solution and we dip the iron nails, that is Fe, iron nails, into the solution, so after some time you will observe that the blue color is discharged or the intensity of blue color decreases because the Fe react with CuSO4 to form ferrous sulfate and copper metal is displaced. So copper metal is deposited on iron nails. So these are the two examples of what? Metal displacement reaction. So in this you can understand, in first reaction zinc is more reactive than copper, and in second reaction iron is more reactive than copper. So actually there is one series in which we have arranged all the elements according to their reactivity. So you can see in this I have just given an example of the series. Actually you can see there that potassium is highly reactive. After that there is sodium, then calcium, then magnesium, then aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, and that is aurum, that is gold. So you can observe there copper, mercury, and aurum. These are the least reactive. They are less reactive than what? Hydrogen. But if you see the other elements like lead, iron, zinc, aluminium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, these are what? More reactive than hydrogen. Actually, hydrogen is a reference. The elements which are above the hydrogen are more reactive, and the elements which are below hydrogen, they are what? Less reactive. So you can see in this table, if you just compare. So in first reaction, you can observe there that if you see the position of zinc is here and copper is below. So you can understand that zinc is certainly more reactive than copper. And you can also observe that iron is more reactive than copper. Okay. So in this reaction, these reactive metals has displaced the less reactive metals. So this topic is finished. We will continue the next topic in next period. Thank you.